373, turn right heading 180 and descend to maintain 4,000. Here's 1 Sierra Romeo, descend to maintain 5,000.
And poof, there you are.
Number 35 Kilo, and you're kind of in a bad spot. You expect to be number 5 for sequence here. Turn left, heading 210. Expect some box patterns here for the delay.
You know, I just lost all my
Kilo,
shit.
I'm not sure if you can make VFR. You probably have to get below the layer. I think you're going to go mid to protect for that, and there's a bunch of IFR inbounds now.
There you go, you're back.
No, I'm not.
Well, let's go out here a little ways and just go direct to...
Yes, Center 71 Delta Kilo.
Inez. 94.
35 Kilo, roger. Turn left heading 210, just to remain in my airspace, and you said you're going to cancel.
Just a little more and we could turn around to it.
Oh, we got some ground here. I don't know where we are, though.
Lampocks are right below us.
35 Kilo, roger. Just IFR cancellation is received. You can maneuver as necessary to get the whole
turn and grab that.
I don't know if we can.
Broken at 1,000, so if you do see any breaks, you might be able to get in.
Back up. Turn and...
Santa Barbara approach 71 Delta Kilo. I've lost my glide slope. I am on the right frequency, right?
Yeah, turn.
35 Kilo, remain this frequency for now. Number 71 Delta Kilo, say again.
Yeah, I've lost my approach, my glide slope, so we're just climbing.
Number 1 Delta Kilo, I'm sorry, you said you're not established on the approach?
No, as a matter of fact, we lost our glide path. I don't know why, so we're trying to get turned around and reestablish. We're climbing at the moment.
Okay, number 1 Delta Kilo, cancel the approach clearance, maintain 5,000, and I'm going to vector you around here for the sequence.
All right, 5,000, 1 Delta Kilo.
Number 13 Alpha, contact Oakland Center on 128.7.
128.7, 13 Alpha.
Sirius 10 Romeo, turn right heading 290.
I got Lampock right
here.
here.
2 Mike Romeo, contact San Luis Tower 124.0.
I got a mountain right there.
Yeah. What's the minimum here?
It's got it.
373, turn left heading 090.
2349 is that mountain.
43.
2349.
Oh.
So we're above it.
Yeah.
Number 1 Delta Kilo, turn right heading 360. Expect some vectors here just for sequence here.
360, 1 Delta Kilo.
Number 8 Charlie Bravo, turn right heading 010. Vector for the approach.
Right heading 010, 8 Charlie Bravo. Vector to your approach.
10 Romeo, descend to maintain 4,000.
Descend to maintain 4,000, 8 Charlie Bravo.
8 Charlie Bravo, that was not for you, that was for Sirius 10 Romeo, descend to maintain 4,000. 8 Charlie Bravo to maintain 6,000.
Maintain 6,000, 8 Charlie Bravo.
Number 2 Yankee, contact Oakland Center 128.7.
Why is that
approach request with
I don't know.
128.7 Oakland Center 22 Yankee.
What we should do is go to that Ishi.
Well, he's going to vector us.
Yeah. Hopefully to Ishi.
Number 10 Romeo, you should be heading a 290 and maintaining 4,000, please.
It looks like we've got a glide slope back. If you could turn us back towards the fix. 71 Delta Kilo.
For traffic, just maintain your current heading, please.
Current heading, 1 Delta Kilo.
Okay, there's too many people taking too many different call signs. That was for November 1 Delta Kilo flight, current heading. November 10 Romeo, you should be on 290 heading 4,000, please.
guy right under us.
Yeah.
I'm watching him. He's 1,100 feet below us.
231 Charlie Papa, Santa Barbara approach, flighting 180, vectors for the RNAV approach, maintain 6,000.
Okay, should be past us.
Number 350, and you just headed northeast on?
Slow it down.
350, it's not much better. There's two aircraft, looks like they're holding for the approach about 15 miles to your right, talking to Oakland. Squawk VFR, change over to Oakland Center 128.7, but you're probably going to have to hold as well out there.
I'm looking for him.
C373, turn left, clear direct Elvis, descend and maintain 3,300.
We got to get that hold out of there.
Yeah.
Ray Charlie Bravo, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, 8 Charlie Bravo.
One Charlie Papa, I'm sorry, say again. We need 1 Charlie Papa negative, not for you, but you can turn right heading 210, please. Cirrus, 1 Sierra Romeo, descend and maintain 3,000, turn 10 degrees left, please. CP73, call Elvis 3,500, clear GPS, runway 30, approach Santa Maria.
Yeah, we had the glide slope.
Can you get that hold out of there? After ISI? Go down?
Number 288 Charlie Bravo, you're currently 5 miles from
There.
Easy High, turn left heading 065, maintain 3,300 total established, clear for the VOR GPS 8 approach to San Ynez.
Left heading 065.
Yeah, look at that.
8 Charlie Bravo.
There's 3
Actually,
people going into San Ynez.
Cleared for the GPS, runway 8, 3,200, 8 Charlie Bravo.
Reporting from Zulu, turn left heading 040, Crescent, turn right heading 040, please. CSP73, Santa Maria Tower, 118.3.
Sound like they're getting in, though.
Number 1 Delta Kilo, turn left turn heading 180,